everybody, I'm here for a quick little unboxing video. I ordered something from Jet Pens and it actually arrived early. I wasn't expecting it until tomorrow. That's probably an email from them saying that it was delivered. So I'm going to cut this open. Let's see if there's an invoice. Let me get the invoice out of the way. And look, it came in a lovely box because it's from, oh, let me get my coffee out of the way. It's from the Chic Sparow. And you'll see they have one of the elastics here. And there is their beautiful card that comes with all of their notebooks. And the reason I ordered this, and always remember you can save this elastic to use with any of your notebooks, whether you use it with your Chic Sparow or another notebook. I'll box that back up. But the reason I ordered this is, we're upside down, is because this leather is no longer available. I was watching an old YouTube video. Well, I say old, and it was like maybe a month or two ago. You can hear Seamus is with us, and I might have to pause because he wants to grab his bone and his ball, which are right at the base of there. Okay, he's out of the way now. I wanted to order this because I saw a video of Allie's and her notebook looked so beautiful and it's one of my favorite colors. So I decided to get it. So let's pull it out. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Let me get the cloth out of the way. Look how beautiful. Actually, maybe the cloth will make it pop a bit more. Look how beautiful this is. This is the Pemberley leather in the Fern color. Let's first see the back. Look how beautiful that is. And let's look on the inside. Look, it is a pocket size with the pen loop and a deluxe. I know you all have heard me say, well, I'd never use the pocket size. Well, I've been using my Castle Rock, I think that's what this is called, Castle Rock Pemberley, in the pocket size. Yeah, I took my stuff out, but I've been keeping my IDs and stuff here, and these pockets in the Pemberley can hold so much because the leather is so forgiving, but then they will go back. But you can see I've been using pocket and passport size inserts in it. But let's take a look at this gorgeous leather. Let me get that closer so you can see. Look how beautiful the embossing is. And I actually got my Pemberley that I've been using, and I don't have stuff on every elastic. You don't have, just because there are 4 elastics, it doesn't mean you have to have stuff on every elastic. I have actually more than what I need in here, so that 4th elastic, I'd just be carrying around stuff that I don't need. But I got my Castle Rock, my Pemberley Castle Rock from Jet Pens, and I've had it almost a year. And I've used it, the husband's used it, I'm using it again. I think I'm going to move into this because look how beautiful that is. I know some people think, oh, green, spring color, but I think this shade of green is beautiful for fall. So I'm not sure my stuff will, well, I don't know, it kind of coordinates well. I've got, in this setup, I have a couple of different things going because I'm trying different things. But I have these wonderful die cuts in these inserts from, what's her name? Keely Reichman. Like there's the Oogie Boogie Man, and there's Jack Skellington, and I can't remember the name of the dog. Zero is his name. And I put a little hat on him. But Keely has this beautiful washi tape. And so for each day of the month, I made a Peaky Dory design insert and decorated it with some of my fun washi tape and some of her washi tape. I cut out the individual characters, and I didn't finish filling out my water because I actually had 2 more cups. But yeah, so this is what I've been doing, and I gave each day a different one of her washi characters. And what's also wonderful is she has stickers and die cuts of all of those things. The next thing I have, since I only have 3 things on 3 bands, what I have is this is a field note size zipper pouch, and you can get it on Amazon. Someone had asked, you can get it on Amazon. I got a 40% off coupon for Michaels. Actually, I've got 3. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it from Taroko Shop, and there's a few other places online that will sell them, but it's actually field note size because this is, I pulled out some pages from a Peaky Dory design insert that I made, and this is just one of our standard grid inserts. So I just, you know, cut out a few pieces of paper with our grid that are this size and stuck them in here, and they're going to be for like some to-do lists. The grocery list can go here for, actually I think I might have done them here when we went to the groceries the other day. Yeah, when we went to Trader Joe's the other day, I put that there. Ooh, the dark chocolate is so good. So here we are. Oh, and let me see what I have in the back. So I have, these are 2 Project Life cards where I've got, oops, those used to be stuck there. A couple of post-it notes and some page flags, and these are some Tyrian design, like her little freebie stickers that I've been using. I'd marked birthdays and paydays and some things. And then this is a Taroko design, and you can see, I'm not sure if they have their webpage anymore, Taroko Design, but you can, let me bring that up right here. But you can also find them under Taroko Shop on Etsy. And that's where I get all of my stuff, not from their webpage, because I don't think it's working. And then I have my Weight Watchers little booklet, and I haven't filled much in, but I lost 4 pounds last week, so I'm down almost 36 pounds. That is also another reason why I got this for myself, a little treat, because normally I would have treated myself with, like, for some things with like a beer or chocolate. But so I just wanted to share, if I can get my pen out, a quick little look at the new, well, it's a discontinued leather, but it's a new insert, a new traveler's notebook for me, and it's a brand new one. They still have some of the Pemberley leathers at, and I love that color of green that you see. Kind of like a fluoro-y, emerald-y sort of a green. It's such a beautiful notebook, and I wonder how it's going to patina. It's so pretty. So there you go, just a quick little unboxing, and not even a setup because I just moved everything that I had in my Castle Rock over into this. I will link Chic Sparow, Jet Pens, Taroko, and Peaky Dory Designs, because that's who we've talked about today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or a question, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks so much for spending your time with me today. Bye-bye.